Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to drive this 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLA250. Let's go for a quick walk around. We're going to do a highway POV drive. That means I'm not going to talk that much, but we're going to take on the highway and we're going to take in the off-ramp so we can hopefully accelerate a little and take a look at the cornering. You can see all the stats on your right-hand side right now. And yeah, as always, if you want to hear all my thoughts and get some more exciting pictures of this Mercedes-Benz GLA250, just make sure to click at the top right hand corner to find my full review. Alright, I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty nice because the moisture in the air makes you see the lights. Let's get back in. Beautiful interior here, of course, in this Mercedes. There we go. And let's get driving. As always in these highway POV drives, I'm about 2 minutes out of the highway, so I will just cut the video for you and we will see us in about 3 seconds. And here we are. So I've gone ahead and set the mood for for the drive here with the red light. Let's adjust our gauges for the sportier driving we're gonna do now. Here into info. Nope, not that one. Come on. Info and engine. Then we want to go into sport mode. Shift manually. She is pretty sporty. This might be the base model. It's a pretty good handling car, I'll be honest, as you just saw. That's why I do this drive at night right now, because I've been able to take this on-ramp once when it was empty, and it was a lot of fun, and I wanted to show it on video. That's why we're at night today. But that was pretty much the sportiness for this video. Let's put it back into comfort and just relax a little while we're driving here. And we can take this back maybe to our full screen map. And let's say, hey Mercedes, turn on seat kinetics.
Okay, I'm switching on seat kinetics.
And there we go. The AC is very loud in this car for some reason. Like even the lowest setting in the auto airflow is still pretty loud. So I have to turn it off now. We don't have any advanced assists in this car. You would need to pay for them in an extra package. So we don't have adaptive cruise control. We do not have any active lane keep assists. You would, like I said, need to pay for those extra. Just like pretty much everything in this car. And in German cars in general, you just need to pay for it. The nice thing about this trackpad is that I can use it without really looking at the screen at all. This is the third time I have to look at the screen for a brief second, and I want to get purple sky, and we can go back And there we go. This is my favorite color. I just love it so much in this car. And yeah, I like the track pen. But I'm not going to say anything more than I'm saying in the review. Go watch that. It's fun. Should be a Tim Hortons coming up on the left-hand side, which I've said is my destination with this POV drive, because I want to get a hot chocolate. Because that's what you drink at 11:46 at night when you've been filming the whole day. I just wanted to keep it a little shorter today. Yeah, there it is. Alright, I'm not going to POV drive the drive-in. That would be a little weird. But yeah, that's pretty much the whole video here. I'm just trying to find if we can have a parking spot where I'm... Yes, there we go. I'm just going to park here for a second. Yeah, that's going to be it with the drive for today. Not a long one today, but I think we got it in what we wanted. And yeah, there's really not much more to say. Like I said, full review. Highly suggest watching that one. It's fun. And a lot more cool stuff we're doing that. You can find it on your left-hand side of the screen in just a few seconds. And with that being said, I would say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I will see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.